Greetings everyone, I am Bharanidharan from Mayiladuthurai, currently pursuing B Mechatronics. Today we have to see in the question of in a sliding crank mechanism, if the crank rotates at the uniform speed of 200 rpm and has a length of 0.2 meter, its linear velocity therefore asking. For the linear velocity equal to V equal to R omega. We want an angular velocity. Angular velocity equal to 2 pi into n by 60, where n is the rpm, where they were given 200, 2 pi into 200 by 60. By calculating this, 2 into 3.1 3.14 into 200 into divided by 60, 20.93 is 20.93 was the angular velocity. For the linear velocity, multiplied by 0.2 into 20.93 into 0.2, the answer will be the 4.1866. We can conclude as the A 4.19. The same type of the second question in a 4-bar mechanism as shown in the link, where the measures 30 cm and it rotates uniformly to 100 rpm. The velocity of the point Q on the link PQ velocity is nearly. This was also asking for the velocity linear, or V equal to R omega, where omega equal to 2 pi n by 60, where the 2 pi n by 60, where the given data are 100 rpm and 30 centimeter, 2 pi into 100 by 60, where answer was 2 into 3.14 into 100 divided by 60, 10.46, by multiplying into 30 into 10.46 into 30, given 3 equal to 314. B will be the answer. Thank you.